Tihei! Maori ora! Oh, too cool, you guys. Lovely. Kia ora whānau to all those who joined us on the K2K Kanohi Te Kanohi face-to-face online Wananga last night. Had a good little group there started out. Next minute all the hubbies come back from milking and they want to jump in and join us, and so here's Cam and Lana and Tony and Lorraine. Next minute Ngāti Tūreiti Nadia joins us, and yeah, not to miss out, her Tāne jumps in, Ngā Puhi Nui Tonu E. She gives them a bit of a pūkana there. But yeah, it was a good start tonight. Nice and humble, nice quiet little group. Next minute, here's the whānau. The whole whānau's Too Mickey, whānau.
Sorry,
Come on.
Need to get the tea tree stick out, I think, whānau.
Cut it out. Go bye, brother. Good to meet you all. Hei konei matua. Oh. So there you go, whānau. Thanks to all you guys for letting us share this to just let the other people see what we're doing out there, and look forward to seeing you all again soon.
Ko te poroa, ko te pō whakau e te moe. Ko tānai, ko tangaroa, ko tāwhiri, ko tumatainga, ko hania tuki, ko rongomatanai, ko papatua nuku e. Ko la mo koe. Kia ora whānau, ngā mihi nui, tūnu aruki. I had a lovely time, thank you so much. I was up at 5 a.m. this morning doing our rongoa page. We got 588 people, and you?
Kia pai Tony, koutou katoa te whānau, ngā mihi nui kia koutou. Koutou ngā kaiwaiata, ngoi, me te whānau and everyone who's contributed. Anei te mihi, mai aha kia koutou katoa. Kia kaha ki te kōrero whānau te reo Maori.